Large 3-bedroom 2-bathroom condo in the Keys Cove community in Homestead. Amazing opportunity for an investor or a homeowner. First floor, newly painted, great layout, tile and wood floors. Lots of light, large windows in each room, sliding doors from dining living room to the patio. Washer and dryer inside the unit. 24-hour security, guard-gated community. 2 assigned parking spaces, 1 space in front, 2nd space near the building. Low HOA fees. Association fee includes cable TV, roof, insurance, exterior painting, lawn maintenance. 2 community pools, gym, clubhouse. Pets allowed, 80 pounds or less. Excellent location in Homestead, near major expressways. Minutes